But taking it over into the Atlantic for right now, things are starting to heat up a little bit. Not like what's going on in the Pacific, but we are getting some action going on. Right now, we're looking at Invest 95L over near Bermuda, but we also do have a new area to watch that's heading just off of the African coast. We have that disturbance on deck for us heading into the main development region. Now, it has been interesting because forecast models really want to ramp this thing up, potentially seeing it becoming a tropical depression, tropical storm within the coming days. But also want to keep in mind, there are a lot of factors kind of dampening down that potential growth for this disturbance right now. Number one, the main development region. Waters right now aren't as warm as what they are a little bit farther north. Why that causes an issue is all that vertical instability. It is heading farther north than where the action truly normally is. And we get a lot more of that sinking air, which kind of it makes it a lot more difficult for those storms to develop and get a lot higher and stronger. But it does also have a little bit better chance when it comes to the wind shear. The wind shear is also sitting a little bit farther north from the main development region. So something we'll watch very carefully. But let's focus in on Invest 95L. At the latest stats, we're looking at 30-mile-per-hour sustained winds for right now. And this disturbance has gotten a lot more organized over the past day or so. So it's been interesting to watch. Could potentially get as strong as a tropical depression, maybe a tropical storm in its life cycle. Now, the concern was, will Bermuda be impacted by this? At this point, it doesn't really look like it. Maybe a few showers popping up from those outer bands and maybe a little bit of those gustier winds for the island, but not going to see some direct impacts when it comes to this disturbance for right now. But it does have to battle some of those hostile winds as of right now too. But it does have a lot of moisture it can utilize. It can work with that and get a lot stronger within the coming days. It also has plenty of fuel, which is the warm water in the Atlantic for right now, because it is sitting a little bit more north where we have those warmer temperatures currently. Now, when we look at the upcoming models, the forecast models that we're taking a look into, a lot of them, they want it to go up towards the north and eventually tracking out towards the east. Not going to really be impacting us too much when it comes to that land potential. So that consensus is kind of in alignment for right now when it comes to all of the models. So looking into our future radar here, we're expecting this to potentially get a little bit more organized in the coming days, maybe by midweek, as it continues to track up towards the north, again, over into parts of Bermuda, maybe getting in on a few more of those showers. So it's something we'll keep a very close eye on, but the Atlantic, it is starting to wake up.